Hey, Echidna, wanna race?
Oh, sure, let's go. This is gonna be fun.
Meow, meow, meow.
Oh no, I'm catching up.
Look at this tasty worm.
I'm catching up to you. While you eat that worm.
Wait, where are you going?
I'm ahead of you.
Whoa, whoa, look at me fly. Whee!
You can fly, but I'm fast. Hello.
What's up?
So what? How are you today? Oh no, he's going.
Oh my god, it's the Echidna.
I win! Yay! I would like to thank a lot of people such as producer Dylan Bigoden, director Mitchell Cumming, editor Aaron Underwood, and Mrs. O'Sullivan for showing us how to do this. Thank you for watching.